So I kept it kind of a secret, and I know I'm using a rear-facing camera because I just wanted to show you what kind of a beautiful day it is. Today's the 3rd of July, and we are getting ready to go to Big Bear with some friends that have rented a cabin for all of us to stay in. So 4th of July weekend, we are gonna finally get out and actually be able to do something. So guys, stand by, because I would videotape, but I am driving. So we will see you guys at Big Bear Lake in like 2.5 hours. Guys, this was not part of the grand plan. I'm not sure if it overheated or what happened to it, but all of a sudden the car just stopped wanting to go anywhere. So we're gonna give it a little bit of time to cool down and see if that helps. Not what I had intended for the day. Well guys, I managed to nurse it up the mountain. So I'm pretty sure though that AAA is gonna have to tow this back to San Diego on Sunday, because there's something wrong with it. It's not just overheating. So, all right guys, but look at that. Look at where I'm spending. It's windy as shit up here on this mountain. Oh, I'm gonna have to edit that out. So guys, we made it all the way up here with Mia, Dennis. Say hi, Dennis. And then Matilda's over there, Cayenne, and my wife, and the kid, and Roger will be here tomorrow. But yeah, finally nursed the car up the side of the mountain. We walked over here. It's like a 5-minute walk, and this is all carpet because this is the landing zone and takeoff zone for hang gliders that you saw. There's a guy right over there. The same guy I saw earlier. Just.
So they're landing here too?
Yeah, they probably, because that's why the carpet, that way if they fall. So we just got back to the Airbnb, and I asked Dennis, I was like, what's downstairs? I saw some steps. There's a fucking game room down here.
Yeah, we're gonna play pool.
There's a freaking game room. You know, I haven't played pool in years. The last time I played pool, I got in a bar fight that night and I got hit in the face with a pool stick. I don't like playing pool anymore.
Foosball. Sounds like it'll be fun tonight.
Another kitchenette. Another bedroom. Who's sleeping down here?
Well, me and Roger are gonna stay here.
Oh, you and Roger are gonna stay here?
Yeah. And yeah, you come upstairs and
yeah, cool.
Maria stays girl.
Yeah, you're gonna stay down here where there's a wine refrigerator. Refrigerator and
you know I love drinking more too.
Yeah, I know, I heard. What is this? A Russian that doesn't drink? That's the weirdest thing I've ever heard.
Yeah, no mas.
No mas. Yeah, this is cool. And then there's a nice view. And you don't need any air conditioning because all you do is open that window and it's super nice. This is really cool. Obviously an older house. Oh, a TV even. They're right over the house. Like I could... Look, hurry, back up. This is my dog's favorite thing. I have yet to figure out why she likes this. But she likes to sit in my wife's lap just like that, like a person. She'll just sit there.
You have to teach her how to use silverware.
No, not food. She'll just sit like that. What a good dog. Good dog. So guys, with everything aside, the car breaking down and the fact I'm probably gonna have to get it towed back to San Diego and get it worked on when I get home, I was able to fire. Our bedroom has an amazing view. You can't see it all that well, but we've got an amazing view of the town below. It's actually really cool up here. And it's nice, comfortable. Cayenne, no, you can't play with the puppy. So guys, if you drink Arrowhead water, people are peeing in it. She's friendly. You can play with her. She just wants to play with the puppy. Is it cold?
No, it's not cold at all.
I think you're lying. I can feel it because my feet are in it.
No, I got used to it.
You're shivering and you cut your toe?
Where's the towel?
Are you cold? Are you guys cold? I told you the lake was cold. I told you guys yesterday the lake was going to be cold. You didn't listen.
I want to go.
You want to go now?
I want to go.
I can't hear you. Your teeth are chattering too much. You want to do what?
I want to go to the pool.
There's no pool.
There's no.
But guys, seriously, did you pee in Lake Arrowhead?
No.
Did you pee in Lake Arrowhead?
No.
I guarantee somebody around here peed in Lake Arrowhead. So if you drink Arrowhead bottled water, there's pee in it.
There's filter in it.
Get close to each other.
Yeah. There you go. Share the towel. The rest of the towels are in the car. Alright guys, well we're at Lake Arrowhead. We might come back tomorrow. There's another Navy guy up here. See? Navy shorts. Navy shorts. Alright guys, did you have fun at least?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, mountain lake where it gets 40 degrees every night, even when it's 80 degrees during the day. Oh, it's warm during the day. The lake won't get cold.
The lake wasn't that cold until like now.
Yeah, until you realized it was cold.
No.
Oh, look at the remote control car. Look at the remote control boat. Who's running it? Oh, there he is. Okay, so there's two of them. Can I get him? I'm trying to film the hang gliders, but they're far enough away I can't really barely see them on camera. So yeah, they take off right there. Right there they take off. The hang glide, there's a couple of them. This guy just took off.
High five!
Dennis, I don't think he's gonna give you a high five. No. Come on, bro.
You can do it.
He hits the pillar.
Yeah, he has a big wings. He cannot do that. It's okay.
It's okay. I don't care. I just want to see it. Is there another one coming out?
Oh, another one.
Oh, there is another one coming out. Fourth one.
Where are they landing at?
That's the one.
Down, probably down there somewhere.
I'm kind of curious where the. Sure hope so.
Those aren't as easy to control as hang gliders. You don't have as much. Like a hang glider, you can go down that way and then come back around and land back up here.
You have your-
Yeah, you can guide. Those are. Well, that's a parachute. What'd you drop, Dennis?
Key.
Oh, yeah, give it to Roger. I told him you will give it.
Oh, it's all by itself.
That was actually an accident.
This is how you gave it to me.
I pull out
Yeah.
this.
because
Are you guys taking the fox? I couldn't tell because
No, it's a coyote.
it might be a coyote. I don't know.
It's a coyote.
Is that what coyotes sound like in Russia? Because that doesn't sound like a coyote. It's a wolf. He's watching. He's watching those people up there.
Looks like folks, yeah.
Maybe fox.
I can't tell. It might be a fox.
No, it's a fox. Look at that.
Yeah.
picture.
Yeah, he's real slender.
Oh, yeah, it's a fox. Okay, just don't
Well,
say
I want a
that.
pet fox. That would be cool. Imagine how much fun a pet fox is. Yuka, come here. Look at the moon coming up. It's hard to focus it. I'm curious what that sound I keep hearing is. Because it's not fireworks. It sounds like a flag, like somebody's like hear it?
Somebody cleaning the carpet,
Right? That's what I was thinking.
knocking the dirt out. Okay, Mike.
She's still waiting for her friend coming out of the woods.
The fox. There was a bunch of cats over here this morning.
Oh.
Like there was like 4 of them all lined up, just standing looking right into the sun. And then they all left at the same time. I was like, that was there. What the?
We have a coyote here.
Yeah, but we saw a fox right down here earlier. I got a video of it. I'll show you later.
Fox is not a danger.
No, I want a pet fox.
Hey, what are you watching?
I
You see something?
wonder if yeah, my computer's charged. I can edit this video, most of it tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah, just so I'm not taking up so much space on my phone. Yeah, I figure this will be the last that I'm filming up here while I'm up here, guys. I might film a little bit of stuff, but this is probably the last of it because I don't want to have to just think about, oh, I should film this for YouTube. I want to be able to enjoy tomorrow. And then Monday, I have to get the car towed to San Diego because we have been unable to determine what's wrong with it. All right, guys, I'm going to end this. There's not going to be enough to really see any finale. So I hope everybody had a good 4th of July. Right? That's why I don't want you guys going. Have you ever seen so many fireworks in one place, guys? Yes.
It's like a bogus cover of a
You hungry again? Well, there's still steak in there.
Am I the only one who doesn't like their ringer being on?
Mine's always off too.
Yeah.
Guys, I know I said that was pretty much the last of the video and I was going to film an outro, but it is now 10 o'clock and they are still, the fireworks started at 8:30 and the fireworks are still going off. I've never seen this many fireworks go off at one time in my entire life, but I'll take you out and I'll show you. Hang on. Can you guys hear that? There are still fireworks going off everywhere. Like an hour and a half later. I've never seen fireworks displays last this long. I mean, you gotta end up getting tired of watching them. I know there's some communities like, guys, I'm trying to sleep. Knock it off. And just so you guys don't think I'm joking, it's not quite 10 o'clock yet. And like massive amounts of fireworks. This little area over here, I don't know how well you can see it. There's a small little community area over here. The fireworks are going off on all corners of that community. There's like 6 fireworks displays just there. This is nuts. So guys, my allergies are killing me. It is 11:15 p.m. I'm still doing some editing, but I thought I would do this. There may be some stuff that I shoot and film and throw in allergies. Throw in after, you know, maybe in another video, but right now I'm pretty much planning on tomorrow. I'm just gonna spend the day with my daughter and my wife. So I hope everybody had a safe and happy 4th of July, and I'm sorry. And take care of yourselves, be safe, have fun. I'll put stuff in the corners when this goes up, and I will talk to you next time. Actually, I was gonna say, this video is not gonna be a delay. This is the only video I'm gonna do for a while that is not going to go up to the paying members first. I'm just gonna go ahead and load this one up. So you guys take it easy, and I'll talk to you later.